Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about rationalizing the denominator. I have here number 1. Write in the simplest radical form. For number 1, square root of 45 over 3. So this will be 45 divided by 3 is square root of 15. So that is the answer for number 1. Now how about number 2? Number 2 is square root of, I need to factor 8. So this will be 4 times 2. Then this is square root of 3. Square root of 4 is 2. Then I have square root of 2 over square root of 3. I need to rationalize the denominator. So I need to multiply square root of 3. And then same also in the denominator. So this will be, so I have square root. So this will be 2 square root of 6 because I multiply the base. 2 times 3 is 6. And then how about square root of 3? Square root of 3 times square root of 3. So take note, in using exponential form, this will be 3. Take note, this is in exponential, this is 1 over 2. Then plus 1 over 2. So this will be 3 raised to 1. Or this will be equal to 3. So therefore, the denominator is 3. So my answer is 2 over 3 square root of 6. So that is number 2. How about number 3? Number 3 is 32, square root of 32 over 10. So I need to divide. This will be divided by, or reduce to lowest term. This is divided by 2. So this will be square root of 16 over 5. Okay, to write in radical form, square root of 16 over square root of 5. And we know that square root of 16 is 4. So I have here square root of 5, the denominator, and then multiply, rationalize the denominator. So multiply square root of 5, both numerator and denominator. So this will be 4 square root of 5 over 5. So that's the answer for number 3. Now, let's proceed to number 4. Square root of 54 over 8. So square root of 54. So what are the factors of 54? So 54, this will be 6 times 9. Then how about 8? This will be square root of 3 times 2, and then I have 9. Then this is also 2 times 4. This will be crossed out. So I have here square root of 3 times 9 and then 4. So square root of 9 is, square root of 9 is 3. And this will be square root of 3. Square root of 4 is 2. So the answer is 3 over 2 square root of 3. So number 5. Number 5 is square root of 36 over 5. So I need to square root of 36 square root of 5. Square root of 36 is 6. This will be square root of 5. Then multiply square root of 5 to rationalize the denominator. Square root of 5 over square root of 5. So this will be 6 square root of 5 over 5. Or this will be equal to 6 over 5 square root of 5. So that is number 5. How about number 6? Number 6 is square root of 18 over 5. So I have here 9 times 2 over 5. So this is 9 times 2 over square root of 5. Square root of 9 is 3. Then I have square root of 2. Then this will be square root of 5. To rationalize, multiply the denominator to the numerator and denominator. Square root of 5, square root of 5. Multiply, this will be 3. Okay, square root of 2 times square root of 5, that will be square root of 10. Square root of 5 times square root of 5, that is 5. So the answer for number 6 is 3 over 5 square root of 10. Number 7, square root of 27 over 7. This is factors of 27 is 9 and 3. 9 times 3 over 7. So square root, so this will be 9 times 3, then square root of 7. So square root of 9 is 3, then I have square root of 3, square root of 7. To rationalize, multiply square root of 7 in the numerator and denominator. So this will be 3 square root of 21 because 3 times 7 is 21 all over by 7. So for number 7, 3 over 7 square root of 21. How about the last number, number 8? Number 8 is square root of 13 over 4. So this will be square root of 13 over square root of 4. And we know that square root of 4 is 2. So my answer for number 8 is 1 over 2 square root of 13. So that's all for today's topic.